And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is JOBY. This is a stock that I do feel as though is headed towards double-digit share prices here early off in next week. Stick around. I'm going to explain to you guys why. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out HOVR. This is also another stock you do not want to miss out on next week. I will be giving you guys both price targets for the end of next week for HOVR as well as JOBY. But before we do so, don't forget I will be going live over on my main YouTube channel Monday morning, 8:15 a.m. Central Time, which is 15 minutes before the market open. And do me one big favor, get over here immediately and hit that notify me button so you will get a notification once the live stream starts. Great news for all you HOVR shareholders out there. With today's aftermarket buying pressure really does heighten the chances of a short cover wave taking place tomorrow. We haven't gotten the short sale analysis in just yet, but it will be in about an hour. So I will be updating you guys on the short sale analysis for HOVR as well as JOBY and ACHR here shortly. And if you do want to catch that video, remember it will be over on my main YouTube channel. The link will be posted in the bottom of the comment section. And with Friday's aftermarket price action, now the type of price action that HOVR seen here this Friday aftermarket trading is key to what's going to happen next. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, we needed this type of price action in the aftermarket hours in order to put pressure on those short positions that is being swung and or carried over here for Monday's trading. Even if we open up here at 76 cents shy of the 79 cent, well, ladies and gentlemen, that there is enough to start closing the profit window on those short positions, which can actually cause the short cover wave to take place. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, the type of buying pressure that did roll in Friday's aftermarket is a nice momentum swing from the trading day's bottom. I do feel as though that HOVR stands a great chance to cross the 79 cent levels early off in the pre-market trading of Monday. But what is my end of the week price target for HOVR? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look at JOBY here really quickly. We're going to take a brief look and check out JOBY before I give you that price target for HOVR. But if we take a brief look and just check out how things went for JOBY, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see here, after peaking at that 933, we started to see a cool down. Volume started to drop drastically and plateau. With that being said, we didn't drift too far below that mid Bollinger Band here on the 15-minute chart. That is a very great sign. Not only that, breaking through the mid Bollinger Band to the upside here on the 15-minute chart is a total bull flag. But as far as the short cover situation here in JOBY, like I told you guys before, JOBY, sorry about that. Like I told you guys before, I will be updating you guys later here today once the short sell analysis comes in right around 10:30 p.m. Central Time. So be looking out for that. And if you do plan on checking out that video, can you please comment in the comment section below? The words will be there. But just looking at these last 3 days of trading, not including today, as you guys can see here, gradual drop in volume overall. Today's volume, though, coming in at 23.55 million. And you have to take in consideration, ladies and gentlemen, Wednesday, a full trading day, we saw a volume of 19.44 million. Here, Tuesday, full day, 21.52 million. And we have surpassed those last 2 days of trading on a half of day. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, do expect to see a very high aggressive short sale ratio here for JOBY due to the fact that that vast move in price makes a great short selling opportunity for any shorts out there. But that trading day price action didn't in favor shorts at all. In fact, shorts hate consolidation. Basically, we did run into a consolidation state here in JOBI around lunchtime. Things started to cool down and we got slight buying pressure here in the aftermarket hours. What we want to see actually take place is this thing open above those $9.26 levels. If that does take place, then the short cover situation for JOBY is pretty likely to happen. Like I said in my last video for HOVR, we had a $9 price target for the end of the week. We did reach and breach that, and our $11 price target for JOBY, which I feel as though is going to be reached before the end of the week, first half of the week, in fact, before Wednesday. I do feel as though that we're going to see those $11 levels, but how high can JOBY reach before the end of the week? Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's run back to HOVR here really quickly. As you guys can see here, with that aftermarket buying pressure, we do expect for that short cover wave to take place. And looking at today's volume, right around 20 million, we're going to give 10% on the short sell ratio, which gives us about 2 million total short shares. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, if we look at the intraday chart, as you guys can see here, we do see a shift in outflow here starting to pick up on that extra large scale right around the time of 10:29, and all the way we ride that lower here all the way up until 11:37. So that's right around the price range between 57 cents and 79 cents is where majority of those short positions was taken here today. So what we want to see happen is open above that price range and or pretty close to it, because shorts tend to panic once that profit window starts to close. So with that being said, guys, look for HOVR here tomorrow well, not tomorrow, end of the week. Sorry about that. I do feel as though that HOVR is headed towards a $1.10 minimum here for the end of the week. I do feel as though that this short cover is going to find itself in a major swing cycle for HOVR. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, end of the week price target for JOBY. Now, this thing on the other hand, I do see JOBY actually crossing those $11 levels early off in the week. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, my end of the week price target for JOBY sits around $13.30. We may even hit that, ladies and gentlemen, as early as Wednesday, but we're going to be modest and make that our end of the week, next week price target. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have all post notifications set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And may the gains be with you. Do you want to make money on Monday? Well, check this video out.